Dear students, now we shall solve the problem number 5 of exercise 7.2. The problem is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A with coordinate 1 minus 5 and B with coordinate minus 4 5 is divided by x axis. Here note this point. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So we know that the any point on the x axis is always have the coordinate in the form x comma 0. That means abscissa has a number other than 0, but the ordinate or the y value is 0 always on x axis. Suppose this is the x axis, the point has the coordinate of form x comma 0. So suppose this is the point, that point is P, and the value have been given that A is 1 minus 5 and B is minus 4 5. So solution is like this. Let A is taken as x1 y1, which is equal to 1 minus 5, B that is x2 y2, which is equal to minus 4 5, let and P be the point on x axis which divides the line segment AB in the ratio. You can take m1 is to m2 or k is to 1, where k is equal to m1 by m2, and P has the coordinate P of x comma 0. I have written here it is. So now we have to use the section formula. Section formula says the coordinate of P xy, here it is x0, is always in the form of m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 x2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So by taking the values, x1 y1 is here, x2 y2 here is, the ratio is here, and the value for the point is here. So P of x comma 0 equals, so m1 is the formula, section formula, P of xy equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now m1 is k into x2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1 into the x1 is 1, so k plus 1, comma the second coordinate m1 is k into y2 is 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So, x comma 0 is equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 comma 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Now, for the purpose of calculating the value of k, we have to equate this part is equal to this part. So, which implies 0 is equal to 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Therefore, take this to the left hand side, that is 0 into k plus 1 is equal to 5k minus 5. So, 0 into any number is 0 equals 5k minus 5. So, 5 is equal to 5k. So, 5k equals 5, k equals 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. Now, substituting the values for k, here we have the value for x also. So, p of xy equals, that is x0. P of xy means x0 is equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 comma 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. This is the coordinates of point P, which is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 5 into 1 minus 5, so 1 plus 1, so which implies minus 4 plus 1 by 2 comma 5 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 5 minus 5 means 0 by 2 is 0. So, coordinates of point P is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So, k equals 1. So, coordinates of point P is minus 3 by 2 and the ratio is k is to 1, that is 1 is to 1. Okay.